Hello and welcome to day 21 of the interview series. Today's letter is U and the company is Udaan. So the question is, we need to implement stack using arrays. Now before jumping into the solution, let us try to understand about the stack data structure. So stack is a last in first out protocol data structure. Here you can see that we have a top variable which keeps the track of the index where our element needs to be pushed or popped. So when we say push, our top you can say the index will move up, and when we talk about pop, the top variable will move down, so the index will go down. And again, it is a last in first out, it is dynamic in size, and the major operations that we perform are push and pop. Now to implement this, we are going to use one array named as stack. Then we will have an integer top to track the top element, and then we will initialize the top variable with -1, which will be the starting point. Now for the push operation, we are going to use this algorithm where we write if top double equals size -1, that is we have reached to the end of the array, we will just declare stack overflow. Else we will just increment top is equal to top plus 1, and then we'll push in the value to the array. So you can see the condition of stack overflow here. Let's suppose our stack is full, we have already reached till the end of the array, and if we try to insert one more value, it will show stack overflow. And similarly, this is how you can see the top variable will move and the index will keep on increasing based on the push operation. Similarly for pop, what we are going to do, we are going to have a similar condition, but this time for underflow, we write top is equal to -1, that is we have reached till the end of the array and there are no more elements to remove. And here we just fetch the element that is present at the index top, and then we just decrement the value top is equal to top -1. So this is the case of stack underflow where we don't have any element to remove or pop. And for a successful remove operation, initially top was pointing to 30, and after removing of this, the top will point to the index or the value of the index 20. And we have similar other operations that we can implement. So we have peak operations which will give us the value where the top is pointing, and this is how we can return the stack of top. isEmpty, we check if top has reached to -1. And similarly isFull if top is equal to size -1. Now for all these operations, the time complexity will be big O of 1 and the space complexity will be big O of n, where n is the size of the array. Let us quickly look at the code. So here is the code. We have three variables. One is the integer array, then we have top, and when we have size. And when we talk about the initialization, whenever we are creating the constructor, we are passing in the size. For push operation, we have written the code like this. Similarly, for pop operation, we have implemented the same algorithm. And for peak and other operations, we are implementing the same algorithm. And this is how we have created the main method. And here, while initializing the object of stack array, we are passing in the size. And if I run it, so we can see that our output is correctly getting generated and our stack implementation is successfully done. So you can follow us for more interview focused learning, and you may share it with someone who may need it. For more detailed notes, you can reach or you can check out the pinned comment. Thank you.